Recent studies have shown us that 95% of all crashes are due to human behavior. And as we're mostly aware, most humans can be trained or at least learn new things. But that risk of the risk of collision increases exponentially when we start to introduce the cell phone into the cab or into the front of the vehicle, seeing 6 to 12 times the increase in risk from having cell phones. Furthermore, in 2023, 325,000 people were injured or killed in motor vehicle crashes that resulted from distracted driving, seeing an increase of 12.5% in insurance in 2024. And that number just continues to increase as we look into 2025 and then looking forward to 2026. But the good news is we do have some things that we can do about it. There's been a 35% reduction in injuries resulting from, or crashes resulting in injuries from distracted driving with the use of event-based video and driver coaching. So that brings us to the Go Focus Plus and our solution to how we can help reduce those numbers from the concern for the fleets.